Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn follow strategy for building a target company list, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin activating your LinkedIn follow strategy, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the search bar located at the top of the homepage. Type in the name of the target industry or company you are interested in. Select the company's filter from the drop-down menu. Review the list of companies that appear in the search results. Click on any company that captures your interest to view its profile page. On the company profile page, locate the follow button as it appears on the top right corner. Click the follow button to start receiving updates from the company. Next, examine the company's page for relevant insights and connections. Take note of key players within the company by clicking on the People tab. Identify professionals who align with your networking goals and interests. Consider following those individuals to expand your reach and visibility. Return to the search bar and enter more specific criteria related to your target list. Utilize keywords that match specific roles, industries, or locations. Repeat the process of clicking through companies and following relevant pages. Compile a spreadsheet or document to keep track of the companies and professionals you follow. In the spreadsheet, include columns for company name, industry, key contacts, and reasons for following. Regularly engage with the content posted by the companies and professionals you follow. Like, comment, or share their posts to increase your network visibility. Make sure to review your followed companies periodically to assess their relevance. Adjust your list as needed by unfollowing companies that no longer align with your goals. Continue to research and add new companies, ensuring your target list evolves with your objectives. By following this strategy, you can effectively build and maintain a targeted company list on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.